Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Temu account permanently. So in order to delete your Temu account, first of all open your Temu app. Now go to the U section. After that click on the setting icon. Now click on account security. Now scroll down till you see delete your Temu account. Click on it. Now read the given information and click on I want to permanently delete my Temu account. Then click on continue. Now select any reason why you want to delete your account, then click on continue. Now if you have used your email, then you can either get a email verification or you can use your Google account to verify your identity. After putting in your code, your account will be now scheduled to delete, but before that you will need to verify, and then your account will be scheduled to delete. And that's it. That's how you can delete your account permanently on Temu. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.